Hi guys,
Hi guys.
welcome to my channel. Today we have a special guest, my daughter Ananya Shri. Say hi. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Lock the Box by Bookchore. This Lock the Box was my giveaway gift from them. This was my best New Year gift this year. I was so happy and excited to have this box with me. So I can't imagine that I have these many books from the start of this year. We have her today here because we have a surprise books for her. She doesn't know what books they are. I'm going to show to her. Are you happy, baby?
Yes.
Okay, baby. First, I can see two bookmarks. One is this and another one here. So cute puppies. Sometimes I buy books to just get the bookmarks. That's crazy. Yes, sometimes I get crazy. Okay, let's dig into the books I have bought first. It's Ananya's surprise book, The Snow Angel. Ananya, happy? This is for you. Are you happy? Allah. Please see here. So cute, right?
Yes.
Here. It's a cute book. The illustrations are really beautiful. I love the beautiful illustration. This is the Snow Angel book. See here. Baby, happy?
Yes.
Okay. You have another surprise. See here. You love puppy? See here. I Am and You Always is another book I bought for her. Same here. The illustrations are so cute. See, this girl looks like you. Right? She looks like you, right?
Yes.
Do you love this book?
Yes.
Okay. See, what book is this?
I wanna.
Ola.
Hola.
Coloring book. Can you hey, see here, baby? See here, look here. Can you share this book with me?
Yes.
Will you share it?
Yes.
She always loved to share with me. I hope I would take this book because the illustrations are really good. I have bought this book only for her because it was Elsa's and Ola. She likes Ola very much. But now I'm thinking of taking for myself. The illustrations are really good. Okay, let's see. Let's share this book, baby.
Yeah.
She started to see the pictures, so that's why she was distracted here. Okay. Next, see, we have another book for you. Here, Bambi. Do you like this book?
Yes.
See, you want this book?
Yes. Yes.
This is the hardcover book of Bambi. Here also the illustrations are really attractive. Kids would enjoy reading this kind of books. So I recommend kids to read books. Yes, I recommend kids to read books. Ananya loves when I say stories from books. So she has so many books. I have plans to do some book collections of herself. Okay, let's go into my part of the books. The first book I can see was Bridge of Clay by Murakaz Zuzak. I hope I was saying the name right. I hope so. I was reading currently the book Thief, so I really enjoying it. I hope this book would also be a good read for me. Let's see. This book has hardcover and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like a pretty well used book like that. It looks almost new. The book condition was really good. The next book was Adultery by Paulo Coelho. Hope I was saying his name right. And this book also looks good, but only the cover looks somewhat little bit weared off. But okay, anyhow, the books looks really good. The next book I can see here is The Mister by E.L. James. I was really hesitant to pick this because this book has a really hate or love relationship with readers. So I was hesitant, but I actually love 50 Shades of Grey. So hope, okay, baby, wait, baby. So hope I would love this book also. The next book I can see is Varna by Anand Nilkant. This book, when I see, I can't just go without picking it up. So one second, don't. What, ma? I will show it. Okay, wait. When I see this book, I can't go without picking it up. So because I love Anand Nilkant's books and also mythology, so I just picked up. The next book was Brida by Paulo Coelho. Once again, my daughter is going. The next book was Brida by Paulo Coelho. I love his writing, so hope I would love this book too. And this book was pretty good and it looks really new to me. The pages are also pretty white and the book looks really nice. Wow, the book smells really good. The next book I can see here was another mythology fiction, Mahadev by Renuka Narayanan. And this was my random pick, I could say, because it's long time since I have read Shiva's story, so I just picked up this one. And this one, The Healing Power of Tea, is I love herbal teas, so I just got it to refer and see whether I can get a good recipe from this book. So let's see. The next book, wow, this was the best book, I would say. I wanted to read Murakami for a long time. So I just picked up this book. It's Kafka on the Shore. I have heard so many good reviews about this book, and this book really looks pretty good and new. And yes, I like this. I hope I would enjoy this book. The next one, yes, this one is also my best purchase of this year because Kalidasa, I wanted to read Kalidasa's books for a really long time because I read his Kumara Sambhavam in my college time because I took Sanskrit as my language in college. So I had a chance to read Kalidasa's Kumara Sambhava. It was a really awesome, mind-blowing poem. Actually, it's a poem, but we can get the story from it. So after years of reading Kumara Sambhava, I can feel the content. Still, I can feel the content. So I really wanted to read other books of him. So this one would be a great to start with, I think. This one is it's Ritu Samharam by Kalidasa. Then next one is Random Pick, Intuition by Intuition by Preeti Bajaj. Hope I would read this book soon and know what it is. The next one is Jojo Moyes, The 1+1. This, I wanted to read this author's book. So when I see this book, okay, let me pick it up so that I could read his book. So I could read. Like, this book's condition is also really good. I like the stuff the book like this. I love the book when I love reading big books. This book is so cute. Hope I would enjoy this book also. The next one is Black Coffee by Agatha Christie. I also wanted to read Agatha Christie for a long time. This was my first book. Yes, I said it right. This was my first book. The next one was High Noon by Nora Roberts. I have more expectation in this book because Nora Roberts. The last and final one is Sahadev by Amish Tirupati. I wanted to purchase this book, so when I see the book in the list, I can't just stop picking it up. So just bought it. I love reading Amish Tirupati's book. And that's it, guys. The box was empty. I bought these many books from the Lock the Box. I'm so happy to have these books in my collection. I was really excited to read all these books if I have a time. So if someone asks me to give a boon, I would ask for just give me time for reading books. That's it. Because I love reading books, but I have a very little time to read books. But this year I was hoping I would read more and more books. Okay. Thank you, Bookchore. Thank you for the Lock the Box event. You are a wonderful guys, and thank you so much for this giveaway. I loved all my picks. Guys, I really recommend you guys to go and check Bookchore's app because they are really having a good sale. You can pick books from 59 rupees, 99 rupees, and combo sets. There are so many deals going on there. You can buy best books in best prices, so just go and check them out. Yes, they are second-hand booksellers. You can go and check them out. This is not a sponsored video for sure. I was just sharing my experience. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share with your book loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Say happy reading, baby.
Happy reading.
Bye.